Close enough. I wanna lock in your love.